Tabitha Global Care is a local Christian-based NGO which exists to contribute to a process of improving the holistic lives of the youth, children and other vulnerable groups of people in the community of Uganda through offering medical care, education, food security, shelter and other vital necessities of life.
Tabitha Global Care Uganda is a program that looks forward to empower people that are underprivileged, and as our vision says, a healthy and a productive life, living a life of dignity. So we try to see how well we can empower people who are underprivileged.
It derives its name from the book of Acts, chapter 9, verse 36. A woman abounding with deeds of kindness and charity.
Which is a reflection of my personal story, where I also had a terrible accident and I had no hope to walk again or to have life back again. And God used people that I didn't know far away from Germany, and they came and saved my life. So basing on that, we also started this organization to see how best we can save, to become a voice of the voiceless and help them out there to show the love of God and to show that there are people out there who can care for them.
Tabitha Global Care Uganda was founded in May 2015, and since then it has devoted resources to meet the woeful plight of the less privileged, mostly in the villages, and is motivated by the exemplary love of our Lord Jesus Christ through His sacrifice at Calvary, as we envision a community of people that are self-reliant, healthy, productive, and relevant to our ever-growing and changing society. Our core values are empathy, integrity, responsiveness, honesty, dignity, respect for others, value for time. Our objectives are to enhance people's livelihood by providing psychosocial support and vocational skills to people infected and affected with HIV/AIDS so that the cycle of poverty is thwarted.
We are here right now in Kaolokota. We have started with a new program of tailoring. We have quite a big number of students because we have a big challenge in this area. Most of the girls didn't get enough education because of the funds and whatever. Most of them, they're orphans. So we came up with this, and we got some machines. They came in those containers from Germany, from our friends. And now we have enrolled around 120 pupils that want to acquire these skills. So our target is to see how we can empower them with these skills so that they can have at least an improved life. In the future, we look forward to see these girls who are equipped and skilled, and at least to see some improvement in the community. When we equip a girl, then we are equipping a nation. And I'm sure this will at least try to limit or to stop some of the risky behaviors that these girls have been involved in because of they didn't have any income. So many men have been using them for granted, and they have been getting infected with HIV because of that. So when we equip them and they have something that they can earn, and they can have some earning, I'm sure this will help them to have a brighter future, that they cannot be taken up with little monies, but this will help even their children, they help even their families, and I'm sure this will bring the community to another level.
Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that can't fly. A quote by Langston Hughes. And in a nation where many are not able to fend for themselves along with their families, education is often not realized by many children from poor families.
Amanya gange nze Poni Jessica mbera mu kitundu kya Kawulukuta West nina emyaka 37 nina abaana 5 nze mbadde nsaba buyambi abaana bange tebasoma nze ndi wano ndi bwomu sisobola na kubakola ki na kubasomesa ate badde nsaba buyambi n'okulya bunnema ate baana bange ababiri ne bawandise ku Tabitha era njisuubira nti Mukama wabeera bulungi abaana bange bajja kuyingira kusoma.
And it's against this backdrop that Tabitha Global Care has taken a huge yet noble cause to establish primary schools and other related educational and vocational institutions for the communities.
Letter C says, letter C says, letter C says, letter I says, letter J says, letter J says.
Many people within the communities travel long distances to access water and sanitation facilities, which is oftentimes shared with domestic animals, and that puts the lives of the people at a risk of diseases.
Tutambula ebbanga nga ppanvu okujja ku luzzi okusena amazzi ne tutafuna kadde kagenda ku ssomero kyova olaba olwaleero saasomye tusanga lukalidde mu biseera eby'omusana tugabana oluzzi n'ebisolo biseera ebimu tulwala endwadde kuba mazzi gano.
So Tabitha Global Care has engaged and hired a borehole construction company so as to meet the need of clean, safe and accessible water.
I'm Mongiro Kalfan. I'm the supervisor for Underworld Resource Consultants. We were contracted by Tabitha to drill for them 2 boreholes. And these boreholes are deep boreholes. They are not shallow wells or not shallow boreholes. The drilling work is now done. And we are almost now handing over. We are waiting for our period that the duration were given, so that we can now hand over the boreholes to Tabitha, which give us the job. And they will now also hand over to the communities.
We seek to provide appropriate shelter and support to elderly people infected and affected with HIV/AIDS.
Iko imundeni ngo lubudiet kwe wene aku bade tina abule utwatwa ane kele gini wajukulu nkele wajukulu kine tina ngutu pan lo memeda ngiro lo alet pan wajukuni kele gini tina anna kondi ngo juna go nkikita onglor kiru lo mokot ko chulundi Longiro, Kiruglopo, Quicklin, he currently Tiolo, Pontiana Tinate, Logon Tapilunan, Tabisha Pilunani, Ingogata. You walk out. Be like what out at an irritated. He currently Pontiana Pitti in a hat. Ongande to be should.
To provide relevant interventions for orphans and vulnerable children. To engage in projects which improve and enhance sustainable household incomes and livelihoods of vulnerable communities.
Amanya bampita wagira kate ngandi ndio muko bachala bakasokoso women of compassion kasokoso group kusokera dala tulunde nkoko tulima n'obutiko tukola ne liquid, sabuni wa liquid, tukola bagia, chap, meat pie, kando, sabuni w'ekitole n'ebizigo. Ezo ze zimu ku project zaffe ze tukola ab'Ekasokoso Women of Compassion.
To initiate, cooperate, and promote research in the field of HIV, stroke, AIDS, and associated opportunistic infections. The timely intervention of Tabitha Global Care Uganda in the plight of these communities has brought about hope, as evidently echoed out in songs of jubilation. All these milestones achieved so far are attributed to our partners and donors who have given selflessly as they channel through Tabitha Global Care a vessel in God's hand. Forever we are grateful for all the support that you've continuously rendered to this noble cause, and only the Almighty can truly reward you for the extent that you did it to one of these brothers of ours, even the least of them. You did it unto the Lord. However, with an ever-increasing number of people without access to clean water and sanitation, quality education, health services, and income-generating activities, the challenges are still immense, and therefore it's our prayer to see partners and friends joining us to minister God's love in a hurting world through acts of generosity. God richly bless you.
We are calling upon our friends and partners to come and join hands in this noble cause.